forecast.
Welcome back. I'm Geneva Zoltek here. Tamarack Resort Summer Cam today. Check out this time lapse. We had some pretty quickly changing conditions throughout the day. By the time we hit the afternoon, that rain is starting to taper off, it seems like, but you can just see how intense that rainfall was, and that is a little bit of a preview of what's coming. Check out our weather headlines for today. We do have an atmospheric river passing through the area, and it's bringing some heavy rain to our region, especially tomorrow, and that's why we have a flood watch in effect by the National Weather Service through tomorrow evening because of how much rain could be falling. And we also have a marginal severe weather risk with this system because it just could get pretty intense. Our radar and satellite from earlier today shows the atmospheric river really passing through northern Idaho. It hasn't really hit the southern part of the state quite yet, but there is that cold air pushing in and is going to push that system south tomorrow. Now the flood watch is in effect throughout northern Idaho, some areas of Washington, Oregon, and western Montana, and that's because the current mountain runoff is going to combine with the heavy rainfall at times, and it could swell our creeks and streams and rivers and could create those conditions for flooding, especially also in urban areas where proper drainage isn't really happening. So that is something to keep in mind for tomorrow. Now on Saturday today, we do have that risk of thunderstorms, which is what that green color indicates, but check out what happens tomorrow. We switch over to a marginal severe weather risk, and that's because of the intensity of this system that is going to be heading our way tomorrow. Now let's talk through how this system is going to form. Now Saturday evening, we're not really seeing too much activity. I showed you in that Tamarack camera, it looked like it was starting to clear up because a lot of that is just coming into isolated thunderstorms. But check out again what happens early Sunday morning. We'll start to see some isolated pockets of action near Idaho Falls, near Ketchum. Gonna start to see that rain, and then look at that huge system that comes in by Sunday evening. So around noon is when we'll start to see those thunderstorms start to roll in, and it's really gonna be blanketing the area with those thunderstorms and that rain. Now the rain could be torrential, so meaning a lot of it could fall at once, again leading to those potential storms. We could see wind gusts, especially with that marginal severe weather risk. We could also see hail. I know we saw some last weekend with that system. After this, the system's really going to continue to circulate through, but the severity of it is really going to decrease, and we could see some snow up here, which is so funny to me because it's June. But up here near Spokane, they're still seeing quite a lot of rain. After that, though, it is going to clear out, and we're going to see some warmer conditions starting later next week. Now, let's again get into what tomorrow's conditions are going to look like. 80% chance of precipitation in Vail. So tonight, while there's about 20% chance of precipitation in the Treasure Valley, that's going to increase significantly throughout the day tomorrow. It's 90% chance in Idaho City, 65 degrees. Again, thunderstorms, flood watch, all things to be cautious of if you're going to spend any time outdoors, especially up there in Long Valley. 80% chance tomorrow in Stanley, Idaho. Ketchum's 90%, Fairfield's 80%. So definitely seeing that rain move east. It wasn't really hitting the eastern part of the state today, but that's going to change tomorrow. 70% chance tomorrow in Twin Falls. Now let's check out our extended forecast. We can see just when the system's going to head on out of here. Again, 90% chance with those thunderstorms on Sunday, 60%. Excuse me, that chance is actually much lower than 20% because then you would see that percentage show up. But we might get a little bit of rain in Monday morning, scattered showers. 60 degrees will be our high. We will warm back up though, 89 degrees on Thursday. And look at what happens, almost 90 degrees there on Friday. So we're going to warm up, which is going to be very nice. 70% chance of precipitation and thunderstorms in the Magic Valley on Sunday. Monday, we'll get some wind conditions after the storm leaves us alone. 20% chance of precipitation tomorrow and a high of just 59 degrees. So quite cold, but again, check out what happens next week. We will warm right back up there into the lower 90s. By the time we hit Thursday, we're at 93 degrees. Friday, 90 degrees. So we're definitely going to have some nicer conditions to round out next week.